The Scholars to Be is a bringing together of concerns of scholarship and the academy to concerns of the community and our faith. And that to me is invaluable, and that doesn't take place anywhere else.
I'm a big fan of Sikholars because I think it creates a good space for Sikh youth and non-Sikh youth to learn about and create community.
Well, this is my first year attending Sikholars and I'm having a wonderful time. I cannot explain what an amazing experience this is.
One thing I really appreciate about Sikholars is that it touches on issues that are relevant to young Sikhs and Sikhs of all ages essentially, from a number of different angles.
I'm very inspired. Can't wait to apply some of the stuff I learned, especially the entrepreneur ones. That was probably my favorite panel. I took a lot of notes off of that one.
What I like best about the conference is that our community, how it's coming together, and how we are learning to interact with each other, and we want to actually know what are the problems of the community and be together. So that is a good spirit.